Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about something very important. It is a simple idea. Never give up. Life is like a road. Sometimes the road is smooth, sometimes it is rough. We all have good days and bad days. We all face problems. But what is most important? The most important thing is to keep trying. Let's look at some famous people. Thomas Edison wanted to make the electric light bulb. He tried many times. People say he failed 10,000 times. But he did not stop. He said, "I did not fail. I found 10,000 ways that do not work." And finally, he made it. J.K. Rowling wrote the Harry Potter books. Many companies said, "No, we don't want this book." But she did not give up. She kept trying. And now everyone knows Harry Potter. They are famous because they did not stop. They believed in their dream. Why do we feel like giving up? Sometimes we fail. We feel sad. We think, "I cannot do this." This feeling is normal. Sometimes we are scared of what other people will say. Sometimes we want results very fast. But good things take time. Success is not easy. So, how can you become strong? How can you learn to never give up? Here's some easy tips. Make small goals. Is your dream very big? Break it into small parts. Do one small part at a time. When you finish a small part, feel happy. This will give you energy to do more. Learn from mistakes. It is okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. When you fail, ask yourself, why did this happen? What can I learn? A mistake is a teacher. Stay with good people. Be with friends who say, "You can do it." Stay with people who make you feel happy and strong. Positive friends are a big help. Be kind to yourself. Don't be angry with yourself when you fail. Say, "It's okay, I will try again." Eat good food. Sleep well. Take care of yourself. Be patient. Patient means waiting without getting angry. A small plant needs time to become a big tree. Your dream also needs time. Just keep working. Remember, your story is not finished. Every new day is a new chance. Every time you fall, you can get up again. You are stronger than you think. So, when things are hard, don't stop. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep believing. Now, tell me something real. What are you fighting for right now? Drop it in the comments. Let's remind each other that we're not alone.